TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi not connecting. Fix guide. Is your internet down and your Deco light blinking red? I know how frustrating it is when you can't get online. Let's fix this together right now. The good news is, you can fix most of these issues yourself at home. No technician needed. If you have any trouble during these steps, please leave a comment below. I will reply within 1 hour to help you. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fixes. Now let's dive into the solutions. First, look at the light on your Deco unit. A pulsing blue light means it is ready for setup. A solid green light means it is working. A solid or pulsing red light means there is no internet connection. This is what we are going to fix today. Start with a simple power cycle. Unplug your modem and your main Deco unit. Wait for 60 seconds. This clears any temporary glitches in the hardware memory. Now plug your modem back in first. Wait until the internet light on the modem stays solid. This may take a minute. Next, plug in your main Deco unit. Wait for the light to turn green. If it stays red, we need to check the cables. Check the Ethernet cable connecting your modem to the Deco. Make sure it is plugged into the WAN port on the modem. Then plug it into port 1 on the Deco. Try a different cable if you have one to rule out a broken wire. Open the Deco app on your phone. Make sure your mobile data is turned on. The app will tell you if the Ethernet cable is disconnected. If it still won't connect, we need to reset the unit. Find the reset hole on the bottom. Use a pin to press it for 10 seconds until the light turns yellow. This resets it to factory settings. Wait for the light to pulse blue. This means it is ready to be configured again. Now, open the Deco app and follow the steps to set it up as a new network. This often fixes deep software issues. If you have a green light but no internet, we can change the DNS settings. In the app, go to Settings, then go to Advanced, then go to IPv4. Then select DNS. We are going to use public servers that are more reliable than your provider's defaults. Change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8. This is the Google public DNS. Change the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save the settings and restart your mesh system. Some internet providers lock your connection to one device. Go to Settings, then go to Advanced, then go to Mac Clone. Turn it on and select Combine with current device. This tricks your provider into thinking the Deco is your old router. If that fails, change the LAN IP to avoid conflicts. Go to Settings, then go to Advanced, then go to LAN IP. Change it to 192.168.10.1. This prevents conflicts with your modem's internal network. For satellite units, placement is key. Place them halfway between the main Deco and the dead zone. Keep them away from thick walls and microwaves. These can block the wireless signal and cause drops. One more trick. Go to Settings, then go to Advanced, then go to Fast Roaming. This feature can be problematic. Try turning it off. Some older devices stay connected better this way. It improves overall network stability. Your Deco mesh system should be working perfectly now. Enjoy your fast and stable Wi-Fi. You did a great job fixing it.